So what do you think about DOCU, Chris? Oh, it is? F. Oh, okay. You know, an up day is followed by a down day. The mean reversion. It needs to close below that point. Take an early risk, you know, can't pay off. Oh, we didn't put, okay. I thought I put extensions on this last night when we were talking about it. Sure, where I would draw that channel. Yeah, that seems to be right. Yeah. It is at the point of convergence right now. You're watching DOCU for a pop to 79 maybe, then short. Yeah. I would just do the 5-minute opening range. Go. 10-minute rather. All right, refreshing market chameleon. Last minute morning day trades. You sold 20% of ULTA in after hours yesterday, but barely up. Was it? And you're not supposed to do that. We're gonna. The whole point of getting in early was so that we can, add on today. Okay, that's weird. I think you missed the point of what we were doing there. So that when we buy, we have a good cost average. Double. That's not an earnings play. Lazy. There's a stock called Lazy. That's is it probably lazy chair or whatever? Let's see. No, it's a RV. It's an RV company. No, it's not. I guess it's an RV company. And they're up 20% this morning on earnings. 19,000 volume though. Hardly a blip. Boy, that's a big jump. 87 all the way to 21. And they've got the triple digit growth, almost 1,000% on EPS. and strong double-digit revenue growth and increasing gross margins, nearing 30%. And forward growth estimate down this year. RV. Oh, you were? Okay, should I check Bumble? All right, we were looking for Bumble to be an earnings continuation play. Where's ULTA pre-market? It hasn't even really traded, I guess. Oh, you got a fill at 389. That's pretty good. Anyway, you weren't supposed to touch that. The whole reason we got in early was to have a good cost average on the pop. All right, we're going to talk about the market now in a moment here. Okay. Ramping up on the lives. So, yeah, what happened this morning was, I guess, Putin said that things look good in talks with Ukraine. And that was enough to pop the market a couple of points. It's already fading about 80% of that reaction. We're already almost back to exactly where we were before that remark came out. Aside from that, energy XLE is down this morning. Oil is holding at 106 now, 106 a barrel. Wow, that's so low. Let's see, divided by 20 ounce, $5.30 at the pump. That translates to at minimum. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Let's take a look at LMT trade. LMT was at a couple points down, but it's back to where it closed yesterday, 444. Gold sharply down from 2,000 an ounce to it hit 1960 an ounce roughly, and that's around where it's trading right now. So that's a pretty big drop in gold, which could signal a buying day on the market. Because what is everybody doing with that money that they just cashed out on, right? I mean, they're trying to put it somewhere. So the market is up broadly in growth and value across the board, all sectors up. And Bitcoin hit 40,000, but it's now pulled back to about 39,000. So Bitcoin's on a little bit of a rise. Tells you something about the crypto market. And what I notice is that the crypto market treats itself as a growth opportunity, definitely not a value. And it actually follows the Qs, QQQ. And that's probably roughly because a lot of crypto Bitcoin ETFs and companies are listed on the NASDAQ potentially. And when NASDAQ goes up, so does Bitcoin. So I think, that's probably just going to continue to firm up over the years. That Bitcoin in particular and some leading cryptos are going to be correlated to the Qs on the market. So if you want to know where crypto's going, just take a look at the Qs. That'll give you a good idea. So all sectors up, but some of them are grinding down. Looks like all of them are just grinding down, just fading off of the little Putin remark a little bit ago. Gas is only $4.17. Yeah, it's only $3.99 where I am. Texas. All right, and then we're looking at some momentum opportunities this morning as well. CLSD up a smidge, $1.40 to $1.85 right now. CLSD, and that is above VWAP, so that one's looking rather okay. FUTU, FUTU, that's been slashing through VWAP ever since it popped this morning. From 28 to 30 is pretty much where it's at now, so not much of an opportunity there. The rest of everything else other than PSO is under VWAP. Well, actually GFI, GFAI, which was at 52 cents yesterday, popped to about 94 cents. It's pulled back and fell below VWAP, bounced, and is now at 88 cents above VWAP. But so everything else is pretty much faded below VWAP and is faded, and that's PZG, MGLD, EXN, and Alto. So we'll see. They have their pre-market highs they could break, and that would be a great signal of momentum. So if there's any momentum in any of these, which it doesn't look like there is, we'll know when they get closer to their pre-market highs. PSO is buyout, merger, or buyout rumors, and so that's speculation. But PSO could get driven up today. Also, ULTA reported positive earnings. We're in ULTA, and then DOCU reported, and Rivian both reported negative earnings. There's not much trade left on Rivian. It's like $3. Maybe it's even less pre-market right now. And DOCU also down, was at 93 after falling last quarter from 250 to 130. Now it's fallen from 93 to 77. So there's some serious deceleration in DOCU. They actually posted everything in line, if not slightly above. But I'm guessing that guidance was very bad for the year. And so the deceleration on DOCU has hit the point of terrible. Hello, everybody on TikTok. If you're interested in checking out our trading group, just click the link in my profile. You got to leave the live and click on my profile icon, go over to my profile and click the link, and you can come on in and join us live for trading today. All right, we've got 9 minutes until the open, and SPY has not let up from this fade. Waiting to see where the bottom is. It could be right around 428. By the way, that is the resistance level. So if we do bounce up and off of 428, which is like where it's at right now, then that resistance has become support. And it means we're going to be trading up in this upper zone potentially today and next week. And this, I don't know, we could probably label those. Let's get a text here. Where's text in trading view? click cancel and it still kept that. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Set up some zones here. You don't want to get down into zone 4 again. No, we don't talk about zone 4. No. Zone 1, that's where we want to get back to. But what was I watching the other day? Oh, it looks like analysts see us staying in this deflationary environment, especially with Chris, especially with rates being hiked all the way to the end of the year. So, some chart experts are saying that the bull market will return in November. Better learn how to make money in the meantime, doing something else than going long. Well, or being able to go long the right picks. Not going to be able to go long growth. Yes. So many people say that I look like Philip Seymour Hoffman. I don't get it. I don't see it. I mean, I've got glasses. Maybe I've got scraggly eyebrows. I've got I guess it's gray hair. I can dye it. And maybe I'm Welsh, which probably Philip Seymour Hoffman had probably some similar background. I'm a little overweight, maybe not as much as he was, but I don't see it. I don't think I have any of the other features, but people say that all the time, so I guess maybe so. I could have been a stunt double. Unfortunately, I don't think he ever did anything that would have required stunts. He wasn't exactly an action hero. Oh, thanks. I'm gonna have to. Can you put that in the fridge? Thanks. Or put a cover on it. Yeah, one bite. Plastic on it. Thanks. Crispy, delicious bacon. Twister. Oh yeah. No. I think, and also maybe it was Twister, but okay. I was thinking he was in Dante's Peak also, but no, I don't think he was. I think you're right. It was Twister. I'm mixing up my disaster movies. All right, we got 5 minutes until the open. Good morning, Tyler Trades. Falmart says, how do you screen stocks so you know what to look for, or do you generally look into the same ones? No. I definitely don't look into the same ones. PM me, and I'll get you a link to my classes. And in my classes, there's one of them that says how to find stocks to day trade. And that's the one where I talk about how I screen for those. It's a full 10 plus minute class all about that. METC's looking good. Well, I haven't seen any change yet. Is it? Okay, that's cool. It was certainly looking good yesterday. Did anybody get up to full size on METC? METC? Full position size? Yeah, this AER looks good. Accelerating growth going on. He says aircraft and aircraft engines and parts to commercial airlines and cargo operators. AER. I'll put it, it can go on a watch list. But it's not in a technical breakout of any kind yet. You did. Jack, you got up to a full position on that? I think most got up to a half size, but good job. Jack's in a full position on that. Jack, what size is a full position? Pop quiz. Jack, pop quiz. What size is a full position? Okay. Good job, Jack. Jack is, I think you're relatively new in here, right? But you're picking up everything very fast. And I am pretty proud to see that. Good job. What's the correct percent? Oh, you're talking to somebody else? Okay. Yeah, we're looking at SPY there. That's AER. Also looking at EVGO in short squeeze territory. I think you have a swing on that. Yeah, I might, but talking about SII or SI. I might, but I don't know if everybody's taking profits on that or not yet, and who's still in it. That's a while ago. Yeah, EVGO's margins are not great, and yet, yeah. I'd have to dive a little bit deeper into that company and check it out to be sure. EPS is due in 12 days. Maybe it's a good idea to wait until after EPS and let's see what happens with EVGO. Oh, short interest. Okay, thanks. I click this button here. I believe I can see short interest shares. No. I have the figure here, short interest. I think it is. That's crazy. I mean, they give you all the information, but it's like across too many different platforms. How late did class go last night? I think it was like almost 3 hours, 2 hours and 45 minutes. Yeah, we really were. Was it a great? Did you like that, Benny? All right, thanks, man. I wasn't sure if I was boring some people. How'd you guys like class last night? I mean, was there anybody who was bored? Was like, damn, no, I really wanted to learn about options, and I'm pissed. We mostly talked about swing 100 type stuff. One of the best, Reza said. Oh, we did start to talk about fundamentals and the importance of fundamentals. Yeah, that was pretty good. Oh, I'm glad you liked it then. And Mikey says the best class ever. All right, the market is open. Let's see what we got here. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my profile in order to come check out our trading group, and you can even continue with us live. We are now shutting down the TikTok live stream, and you can click the link right there in my profile to come join us live. Thank you for tuning in this morning, and I hope to see you in the member area right now. Looking forward to seeing you. All right, get in there. All right, Lewis, really? Okay, well, okay. It's just a lot of information is what it is. I wouldn't say it's over your head, but it's just a lot of information. You can handle it. It's not over your head. It's just a lot of information. If it is over, if I hope to never teach anything that's over anybody's head. You know what I mean? Hey, JL, are you in the trading group? Click the description in my. That's funny to see you over there in Twitch. Click the description link there. All right. Well, it looks like so far, the market's open and it's not really moving much. We've got some upward momentum in the industrials. Okay, so that's probably in financials and inflation. that could signify some downward move in growth. So let's see here. We're just a couple minutes in. I do want to take a look at what's going on with DOCU. Let me pull that up on high speed. All right, you guys over on Twitch and YouTube and Twitter, come and join my trading community to continue with us.